This holiday season,
No! My cookies!
don't miss the world premiere movie event.
I'm an amateur food detective that just came from the big city to Geneseo.
She's the one who solved the mystery of the red jacket rigatoni.
Slay Queen. Now, why don't you start at the beginning?
Starring Gingerbreadman,
There's nothing sweeter than a cookie mystery.
and Nick R. Doodle.
I needed those cookies to win the holiday cookie baking contest this weekend.
Couldn't you just make more?
My life is over! Wait, stop!
There's a thief on the loose.
Why won't you tell us what you know? I'll never bake again! Are you her friend or love interest?
Yes.
We need to get to the bottom of this.
We're so close to cracking this wide open.
Genmark Holiday Mysteries presents the Geneseo Cookie Caper.
Who do you think did it?
This is how the cookie crumbles.
That's not an answer.
Coming soon.
Happy holidays from Geneseo!